Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about guava. Number 1. Guava is a tropical fruit. Number 2. It belongs to the Martaceae family. Number 3. The fruit has a sweet and fragrant aroma. Number 4. Guavas come in various colors such as green and pink. Number 5. Guavas typically have a round or oval shape. Number 6. Guavas are low in calories. Number 7. Guavas are rich in vitamin C. Number 8. They are also rich in antioxidants. Number 9. Guava seeds are edible. Number 10. Guavas are often enjoyed fresh or juiced. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.